and so glad to be home. It was super raining coming home. I got drenched. You cleaned up? Good job! High five! Do you want to tell the guys what did you make in your potty?
Wee-wees.
Wee-wees. How many wee-wees?
6.
So dinner is almost cooked. I'm going to put the kids down for a nap and then just try and clean up because I really want to have as much done before I go as possible so it's not Morgan hasn't got anything to do. It's really wet out there. Oh, it's wet. So it is dinner time and the kids are having chili. Do you love chili?
Bad.
Bad? It's not bad. It's good. What? You stop. Tell Mama that is a nice din-dins. Good dinner.
Me.
Dada is coming. Good. Bad dinner indeed. Next time she tells me that it's a bad dinner, I'm gonna be like this.
Then go ahead and starve!
Bad. 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 Bad.
What?
Bad.
What? Hey, I have a question for you. What's your name?
Robin.
Yes!
Where's Robin? Oh. Oh, where'd she go? Where is she? Surprise!
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go to my friend Noreen's house. Would it be handy if I did my hair, do you think, before I go? I'm just coming out to get my little craft basket thing. So I'll show you with what I'm bringing. So I have some biscuits, because you never go to someone's house without bringing something. That's like my #1 rule. So I just have some biscuits. I have my current project that I'm working on. And just my buttons and my phone there. Yes, that's that. I'm trying to decide if I should bring another yarn with me and maybe make myself some slippers. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I might make myself some slippers. Yeah, but with what color? Do you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is continue working on the blanket I'm working on, bring this purple and make some flowers to sew onto it afterwards. Yeah. Okay, I've got my basket. I need to do my hair, get my coat on, and then my friend Anne and her husband are picking me up to bring us there. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Robin's turn.
Mommy bee.
Robin pig. Obi pig.
A bee. Bobby. Mommy bee, daddy bee, mommy bee, daddy bee.
You're making wee wees, Baba. Good girl. Oh, making wee wees. Let's see. No wee wees yet. You gonna try again? Okay. On the potty. All done. All done. All done. All done. Where you going? Obi. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, thank you. For me? Bit more, please. Thank you. Obi. 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 I'm coming to get you. Boo. Need wee wees, Molly?
I see. Dada. I just
It's raining, Baba. You don't like the rain? Why not? Molly likes the rain. Look, Molly's outside. Robin, why don't you sing Rain, Rain, Go Away? It is lashing here. I mean, it is absolutely downpouring all day. I haven't seen it rain this consistently all day in a long time. Like usually we'll get big showers and then it'll be over. But it's been raining non-stop. Like it was flooding when we were coming home from work. We passed a house on the side of the road and it had like a stone wall. Kind of like a typical Irish stone wall. And there was like water gushing through the cracks in the wall. Because the house, the garden and the house were so full of water. And it was just like pouring onto the main road. But it hasn't stopped raining since I came home. Technically, I don't think it stopped raining since I left for work this morning. I got soaked. Oh, you don't like the rain? It's okay, Baba. Just rain. It's like being in the bath. So, Neen has gone to her friend's house tonight. What? Okay. This way, let's see. What's Money doing? Is Money? What are you wearing?
The hat.
Oh, and Dada's shoes.
The hat. Where's the hat?
Yeah, you're wearing Dada hat.
Fall. Fall.
You did nearly fall. You gotta be careful. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. You okay? Say, shake it off. Shake it off. You did fall again. Oh. Best girl, Robin. Oh. Good girl. Don't forget those ones, look. The phone and the fruit. Good girl. All done. High five. Let's go to bed. Say night night, Molly. Give Molly kisses. Molly, kisses. Quick, catch her. Catch her. Good girl, let's go.
What? Mama.
He's looking for you, Neen.
Mama.
Mama's at Noreen's. Say night night, Mama.
Mama.
Say love ya. Say see you in the morning. Say missed ya. Say have fun.
Apple.
Say have lots of tea. And pie.
Bye.
Say night night.
Night.
Say best mama
Bye, Mama.
ever. Love you. Kiss mama. Okay, before you read a story, Obi's going to bed. So will you kiss him night night? Kiss Obi night night. Oh. Mwah. Say night night, Obi. Night night, Obi. Love ya. Love ya. Look, you have Peter Rabbit. And you have Woody. Night night.
Dada, I like this.
You like this? Okay, you're going to tell me what the animals are? What's that?
Dog.
Yeah, what's that?
Nanas.
No house. What's that? What's that?
Oxys.
What's that?
Dada.
Yeah, what's that?
Dog.
Yeah, what's that? What's that? What's that?
What's this?
Duck.
Dog.
What's that?
Thing.
Good girl. What's that?
Dog. Fish.
What's that?
Sauce. Ball.
What's that?
So.
Yeah. What's that?
So.
Good girl. What's that?
Sassy.
What's that?
Ashy.
Night night, Papa. Love ya. See you tomorrow.
Dot.
You have a dot. Guess where they are? Where are they?
That effort. That elephant.
Where's your dodos?
That elephant. That elephant.
I don't think the elephant has them. We gotta find you some dodos. Here you go, Papa. Night night. Love you. Kiss for Dada. Love ya. Night night. Bye. Okay, turn around to go to sleep.